Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kat and this is a cup of MoKatrina. In this video, we'll be unboxing our latest appliance addition. Yay! We've been dying for a Korean dinner lately, but unfortunately, for safety reasons, that's the meat slicer. Desperate times needs desperate measures. So let's go. Let's open it up. Looks the same in butcher shops, but it's much smaller. When it comes with the weight, it's not that heavy. It got suction cups all sides. It's a plus, making it safe to use and hard to move when cutting the meat. This is the on and off button, and it has a child lock button, which is another plus point. This part here is where you put the meat. It will push the meat to the blade. This rod here, you can easily remove this one. The plus side of buying this meat slicer is it is easy to dismantle and assemble, thus easy to clean. This plastic helps secure the meat while being pushed towards the blade. To remove the blade, just push the center, pull the lower part, twist, and then pull. This is how to remove the blade and attach it back. This is what the back looks like. This knob is to help adjust your preferred thickness of meat. Now let's give it a go. So adjust the knob at the back for preferred meat thickness. So you put the meat there. FYI, husband washed hands before and after, and wash the meat slicer as well before using it. The meat is so thick, so he didn't use the plastic pusher. And this is the end product. It's not the same result nor the presentation in Korean restaurants, but we got the thickness that we wanted and the efficiency of the machine. And if you ask me, yes, we are very happy with our new toy because we can have Korean barbecue every day if we want to. This is just a quick snippet of ingredients that I'm using for the side dishes and soup that comes along with the Korean barbecue. So this is our dinner, guys. Korean barbecue craving satisfied. And oh guys, if you want a tutorial for Korean barbecue a la Filipino style, yung walang kaikikan, you don't have to buy additional pots or anything just to have a Korean barbecue at home, just give this a message below or comment down below, and I'll make a tutorial video for you. That's it for now, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give this a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more family videos. Thank you so much. See ya!